Don't look at the date.
Cái này tên là hối ít sợ rồi. Chị có sao xíu luôn nó có xíu nó phải bé tư liệu. Cho nó sẽ ok không? No.
What is this?
We're drinking this shot for Ywjpheej. Congratulate him for his bachelor.
Yes.
For his bachelor, so drink it up. You got it. No chaser.
Ooh, and
You got it.
ooh.
I'm good. I'm going so
Okay, thank you.
Almost on the hood.
It's not bad.
Oh my god.
Do you have the coordination?
Is that thing not even plain?
Put your check for you. Alright, well. This is Jack Daniel with Bobby Ryan.
Ooh, the mango is good.
I mean, not just strategic, but good stuff. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you just want to taste mainly this, it's not bad.
What did you?
I just Sprite.
No,
Yeah, so
I'm
you just drink
done.
this alone as a
That
congratulations
thing
to
took
Ywjpheej.
like a breather on me.
That's
What
it.
up, Sarah? What is a big one? Oh,
That's why y'all were looking at the thing.
Hả? Cho đi chả thép bò. Cho đi chả thép bò.
Cái bằng cao.
ooh, please.
You're blind. Yeah, it's just a replay. Yeah, it's just a replay.
Wow.
Yeah, kind of like a slideshow. Who's next?
Phải nó bảo nó bảo.
Who's next, right? Yeah. Rihanna.
Tụi nó tụi ra.
You can.
Ở đây bé tụi nó.
Oh, you give the next person.
Who's the next person?
We can talk about it. You ain't fish life. Yeah, Bachelor is pretty. Couple like the idea there, so. Hold on. You got it. What you tell you?
Còn đó. Thì đó
Hold on, it's there.
đó cho cái chuyện nhảy nó nè, nó nè.
Wizard.
Ờ.
Get him the flower, TJ. TJ, this whole time, TJ. Can you look at you? No. Oh.
I can't move. It's gonna fall.
Zoom it in or no, TJ?
Còn mấy mà.
I can't. It's already falling.
Why did he get another shot?
I'm ready.
Just turn a blank.
Còn đó hay à đúng không?
He's gonna run in with his hat.
That's okay. What close there?
Oh.
Go, we can get in line. No.
Thì
Go, I'll just
tao
put
vậy
it.
thì cái chứ nào cho.
Okay, Jer.
Ok, thì tao có nè rồi.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, did you find?
Yeah, how is this fine? Okay.
Or maybe jerk instead too.
So it's 1, 2, 3.
Có con chỗ lúc bây giờ cả con nó thôi.
I thought you already did this one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why would you put it there? This is nice right here. Why is it so near?
Deixa todo mundo junto.
Áp tới đi đó.
Yeah. Catch that right? What? I'm still not in it.
我还
我刚开始啊。
哇，高正。
去。
để cho nó cái khổ.
这个当的。
thì nó nói giờ thì nó trong này thì bé trời trời cho những cái nó sẽ để nó nói cái ta này làm giá trị đó cần khổ để university chỉ ta lên đó nó cô mua nó có teaching student cô ta đó bí thử cho thì ta lúc có thì nó đấy thì có second step thì anh ấy mua sinh là sinh là với teacher xí thì nó nói với này gì tôi đó nếu trong sẽ cần gọi để cô hay á làm bachelor cho ra the first step là cho khi đó học trong các mình là cả giới ra để các bạn cho mình nhận là cái chỉ một pursue có để master này thì cho nên là trong mọi là bé chỉ mới chỉ đó chỉ bé phải người chơi giới trẻ bé với phần nào nên nó sẽ có tụi tôi sẽ sai để họ để nó share được có gì thế lúc đó đến đây thì bé hôm bắt đầu là bé mà với họ cần lo cho nên là tao phải có thó và tôi sẽ sai để cô hay chơi nó sẽ có nhiều thế có cho tin lâu cho mùa rồi bộ máy chỉ hay thế sẽ có sẽ học bộ máy chỉ hay thế rồi nó sẽ được sơ có lúc nào lúc sau thế để chỉ mới chỉ đó thì bây giờ tối này khá bé sau bé là luôn được hậu lại bé mà muốn để khá được có tiền sẽ được hai lý chặt thế xem
chị mới chỉ có chị sẽ đi tới hai linh đó rồi đi với để hai tới tới trong xe mà.
Congratulations, I'm very proud of you. I've seen how much hard work that you do and how much that you live through, and I'm just very proud. And I hope that you keep going, maybe even for your master's very soon.
cái lo được có lo mua
Yeah, you go.
You don't have to.
Hai tại đến nó giờ chứ nó.
You should just say congratulations. That's so mean.
I just say congrats. It's a good way for me to have motivation to go for my bachelor's next. And yes, thank you. Great job.
Get your social media?
No, not yet.
Oh, you said I thought you were going to bachelor. I was like, yeah, congratulations. Yeah, I might not see your struggle behind it, but it seems like you hate it.
Yeah.
Just like that. So, I'm not a very academic person. To me, it'd be very hard. But then, I'm very proud of you. How do you say that word? It's kind of like not just the family, but for our sibling, you're the first person to actually, get something that.
Still tự luôn.
I'm very proud of you.
Stop.
Good. Yeah, and I believe that you can do it. If you could do bachelor like nothing, I think you could do that.
No. You did it. You're the first one.
Open canvas?
Yeah.
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 We're proud of you.
It's just a stepping stone to get your license or whatever you're pursuing for. As long as you keep going, if you're gonna go to your master, get it. If you're not, as long as you do something with it, then that's all that matters. So do what you have to do.
Yeah.
We're all very proud of you. I'm very proud of you for what you've done. Like what I said, I don't know what you go through, but you make it look like it's a piece of cake.
Yeah, it was okay.
You make it look like just like a piece of cake. You know, you just pretty laid back, right? But there are times that you do struggle. Look how you have the courage to really, to keep going forward through those obstacles. It's very like inspiring. And so,
Honestly, just thank you for supporting me. Would have done it without all y'all. And yeah, just encourage y'all to, chase your dreams. Just do what you gotta do. And when in doubt, just let us know you know. So it's my turn to support y'all.
잘못했어. 그치, 어머.
애가 할머니랑 또 할게.
Oh, Leon?
Yeah. Can't say the word. 할머니야.
I want more.
Enough for them.
Alright.
Brand,
Or whatever it is.
Mikey, I don't know.
Oh.
Pick whatever you want.
Tonight. These are just
그래,
letters,
애들
right?
깎아줘.
Letters I don't have to open, right?
Home. Yeah.
This is from everyone.
Oh yeah, 'cause I thought everyone didn't get a card.
So this one?
Yeah, for me.
Okay.
The one with flowers.
For the graduate, talent, effort, and dedication. As you look back, may you be filled with happy thoughts, remembering the joys and friends you've known from year to year. As you look ahead, may your hopes and plans become a reality, and may your future be filled with success and happiness. Congratulations and best wishes.
And then the other one you could read yourself.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Bomba.
How much money?
It's a minor jackpot.
Right.
$50?
Yeah, forget
Damn!
go.
What
Yeah,
the-
forget go car.
Ooh, how much? $10. Ding, 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 ding.
That's all they tell me.
Whoa! $1 grand.
Yeah.
This is from everybody though, right?
No.
You could say it.
No.
No.
Damn, thank you.
Oh, really? Yes.
You hear that?
Yeah, I'm saying.
Alright, thank you, Bomba. I appreciate it. And the yellow one I'll just read by myself.
And this one. Let's go back.
And then this one is from Sarah. Is like, and it is pajamas and a shirt.
Nike.
Hey, it matches my pants. Thank you, Sarah, for buying me this.
He likes it.
And then from the family.
Oh, from Call.
Familia.
Oh, gaming chair.
Broken chair. Throw away.
Yay! Got a gaming chair. My back won't hurt. There we go.
Yeah.
What's it for? Wow.
Yeah.
So thank you, Steve, for buying me that. And that's everything.
Alright.
Change the job.
Mini jackpot.
Yay.
Yay. Oh boy. Thank you, Mom. Alright, what y'all donate?
Mẹ có cho mình vô khó khăn thì có không á.
Yellow. That's why I have this one. So I think that's everything. So
Hopefully, Jojo.
I get to relax.
He has a pillow too.
Yeah, on the back chair. Yes, sir. Alright, thank you guys.
Alright.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Well, who's next? TJ, hurry up.